Arroz a la Cubana is a hearty and satisfying meal. The traditional arroz a la Cubana, which translates to Cuban-style rice, consists of white rice, ground beef, sautéed with garlic, onions, and tomato, topped with banana slices and a fried egg. Over the years, the dish has evolved with variations such as adding raisins, peas, or bell peppers to enhance the flavor. This Filipino household favorite is loved for its delicious combination of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors. Let's cook it! Here are the ingredients. Here are the instructions. Cook the white rice according to package instructions and set aside. In a pan, heat some oil over medium heat. Sauté the garlic and onion until fragrant. Add the ground beef and cook until browned. Season with salt and pepper. Add tomato sauce, raisins, and bell peppers. Cook covered. In a separate pan, fry the bananas until golden brown, set aside. In the same pan, fry the eggs to your desired doneness. To serve, place a cup of rice on a plate, topped with the ground beef mixture, fried bananas, and fried egg.